Stop scrolling travel lists. Finding the perfect USA trip is way harder than it should be. So let's fix that. I'm matching the best destinations to your travel personality. Family, adventure, food, relax, budget. Wait till you see which one fits you best. First up, family travel. This is all about making unforgettable memories, so you need destinations that are fun, easy, and work for everyone. Our top pick, San Diego. This place is basically a giant playground. Start at the world-famous San Diego Zoo inside Balboa Park. With over 12,000 animals, it's easily a full-day adventure. Then explore the park's museums or relax in its open green spaces. And with 70 miles of coastline, you've got options. Calm beaches at Coronado or tide pools in La Jolla, where kids can discover sea life up close. Next, the ultimate dream destination, Orlando. Home to Walt Disney World, this isn't just for kids. 4 massive theme parks, from fairy tales to safari adventures, there's something for everyone. Plus, it's more than rides. Think dining, golf, and experiences parents will love too. The secret here? Plan smart and everyone wins. For something slower but just as magical, head to Savannah. With its charming historic squares and moss-covered trees, it feels like a storybook. It's super walkable, perfect with kids. Explore Forsyth Park, stroll the riverfront, or take a short trip to Wormsloe Historic Site, where a tunnel of ancient oaks creates one of the most beautiful views in the South. Now we shift from wild nature to buzzing city life, perfect if you travel for energy and amazing food. First, New York City. This is the ultimate melting pot. You can eat around the world in a single day. Dim sum, Italian, street food classics like pizza and bagels. But it's not just food. The city never slows down. Catch a Broadway show, walk the Brooklyn Bridge, explore Metropolitan Museum of Art, or just sit in Central Park and take it all in. Next, the soulful vibe of New Orleans. This city is pure culture. Think beignets at Café du Monde, rich gumbo, and unforgettable Creole flavors. Add live jazz on Frenchmen Street, historic streets in the French Quarter, and streetcars rolling through the Garden District. It's a full sensory experience. Finally, San Francisco, where city meets nature. Fresh seafood at Ferry Building Marketplace, famous sourdough, and iconic Mission burritos. Then explore the landmarks. Walk the Golden Gate Bridge, visit Alcatraz Island, or ride a cable car through those steep hills. And just outside the city, the towering redwoods of Muir Woods. Now, if your idea of a vacation includes adrenaline and the great outdoors, the U.S. is your playground. First up, Moab, the adventure capital of the West. It sits between Arches National Park and Canyonlands National Park. In Arches, hike to surreal formations like Delicate Arch. In Canyonlands, go off-roading, raft the Colorado River, or take in insane views from Island in the Sky. And that's just the start. Mountain biking, hiking, even sunrise hot air balloons over red rock landscapes. Next, the legend itself, Yosemite National Park. Towering cliffs, massive waterfalls, and views that don't feel real. Walk through Yosemite Valley, feel the mist of Bridal Veil Fall, or stare up at El Capitan. For the ultimate viewpoint, Glacier Point delivers a panoramic scene you won't forget. Whether you're hiking hard or just soaking it in, this place hits different. And finally, a road trip like no other, the Blue Ridge Parkway. Stretching 469 miles through the Appalachian Highlands, it's known as America's favorite drive. Stop at scenic overlooks, hike spots like Humpback Rocks, and experience one of the best fall displays in the country when the mountains explode in color. If your dream vacation is doing absolutely nothing, just a hammock, a book, and the sound of waves, this one's for you. First, pure paradise, Maui. This island is built for relaxation. Lounge on Kanapali Beach, snorkel with sea turtles at Black Rock, or catch unreal sunsets. For something unforgettable, watch the sunrise from Haleakala National Park. And if you want zero stress, take a guided drive along the road to Hana and just enjoy the waterfalls and rainforest views. Next, the laid-back escape of the Florida Keys, a chain of tropical islands with serious Caribbean vibes. The drive alone is stunning, turquoise water on both sides. In Key West, life slows down. Wander colorful streets, visit Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum, and don't miss the sunset celebration at Mallory Square. Finally, for a different kind of calm, Scottsdale. Think luxury resorts, desert views, and total reset mode. Relax by the pool with views of Camelback Mountain, unwind at a spa, or take a peaceful hike through the Sonoran Desert. It's quiet, refined, and perfect for recharging. Finally, let's bust a myth. You don't need a huge budget for an unforgettable U.S. trip. One of the best ways to save? Hit the road and explore America's incredible national parks. For around $35 per vehicle, you get a full week of access to places like Zion National Park, Yellowstone National Park, and Grand Canyon National Park. Camp, picnic, and hike. It's adventure at its cheapest. Want something completely free? Drive the Blue Ridge Parkway. This 469-mile scenic route is packed with overlooks and trails. It also connects to Great Smoky Mountains National Park, one of the only major parks in the U.S. with no entrance fee. And yes, even big cities can be budget-friendly. In Washington, D.C., most top attractions are totally free. Explore the Smithsonian Institution museums, walk the National Mall, and visit the zoo, all without spending $1. Or take New Orleans, where you can explore on foot, enjoy free live music, and soak in the atmosphere for the price of a coffee and a beignet. Adventure, relaxation, family fun, city life, or budget travel. Whatever you're looking for, it's out there. Now the only question is, where are you going first? And in the comments, tell me, what kind of traveler are you?